Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manappare. A cordial welcome to all the subscribers. In this lesson, we are going to see past continuous tense in Hindi. Please see the formula given. मैं verb root plus रहा था for masculine. Verb root plus रही थी for feminine. For example, मैं दिल्ली जा रहा था. I was going to Delhi. Masculine. मैं दिल्ली जा रही थी. I was going to Delhi. Feminine. For हम verb root plus रहे थे. For feminine verb root plus रही थी. For example, हम तमाशा देख रहे थे. हम तमाशा देख रही थी. For तू verb root plus रहा था for masculine. Verb root plus रही थी for feminine. For the pronoun आप verb root plus रहे थे for masculine. Verb root plus रही थी for feminine. यह वह और singular subjects verb root plus रहा था. Verb root plus रही थी for feminine. ये वे और plural subject verb root plus रहे थे for masculine. Verb root plus रही थी for feminine. Let us see some examples for past continuous tense. मैं आ रहा था. I was coming. Masculine. मैं आ रही थी. Masculine. I was coming. Feminine. हम पढ़ रहे थे. We were studying. Masculine. हम पढ़ रही थी. We were studying. Feminine. तू सो रहा था. You were sleeping. Masculine. तू सो रही थी. You were sleeping. Feminine. तुम कविता लिख रहे थे. You were writing poem. Masculine. तुम कविता लिख रही थी. You were writing poem. Feminine. आप कपड़े खरीद रहे थे. You were buying clothes. Masculine. आप कपड़े खरीद रही थी. You were buying clothes. Feminine. ये और वह तेज दौड़ रहा था. He or it or singular pronoun was running fast. Masculine. यह और वह तेज दौड़ रही थी. She or it singular pronoun was running fast. Feminine. ये और वे हिंदी सीख रहे थे. They were learning Hindi for masculine. ये वे हिंदी सीख रही थीं. They were learning Hindi feminine.